Hello, this is Sam from Crypto Thought. In this video, I'm going to give you an update on Bybit IDO, where you'll be able to buy a token before you started trading on marketplace. And right now, once you come to your Bybit exchange account, you just need to navigate to this more, press more, and scroll down. You'll find this Web3 around this trade. You have to press this Web3 and it's going to bring you over a virtual versions right here. Solution ending 63 hour 43 minutes. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to get this quick updates about any event in crypto. Deposit USDC to redeem VV, and you need to press these details, view details, and right here you see the subscription period is going to end in 3 days, 3 hour 43 minutes and 10 seconds. And right here, if you have been watching my videos, you will know that you just need to press subscribe now. And right now you will get this ticket. This is the ticket you're going to be looking at when this raffle draw has been made right here, to know maybe you get token or not. And right here, participants must have a Bybit wallet with balance at least $300 USDC on Ethereum chain to be eligible for this IDO participation. 3 snapshots will be taken per day during the snapshot period from 8 19 20 12 o'clock UTC time to 8:22 12 o'clock UTC time, which is this month. Failure to maintain this balance during this snapshot period will result in eligibility, and that's what you need to know. And this is the launch price is 0.007. That's the price they are offering this VV coin, and 500 people will be able to get ticket, and total redeemable value is 200 USDC per ticket, and total issue ticket is 14.2 million of this VV token amount. Total amount is 100,000 USDC. Chain is Ethereum chain, and this is the timeline of this event. And after the subscription period, the snapshot, after the snapshot, the lottery period, and after the lottery period, you'll be able to withdraw your fund or redeem your token. And participation select in this token allocation lottery can check their allocation and redeem token before the redemption deadline. Initial redemption 15%. Remember, average over 4 months at 21%, 21.5% per month after initial redemption. So once you redeem this first one, 15%, you have to harvest this, the remaining allocation you get in this IDO period of 4 months, and receive 21.25% per month till you withdraw all your allocation you get in this IDO. And here is the timeline. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And here is the way to fund your account. Just use this external or fund by Bybit funding account, and you'll be able to get funds to this account and hopefully get allocation to get this IDO before you started trading on marketplace. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.